Hi, Dr. Chris here from the Nerve Health Institute. I just want to tell all of you, thank you so much for allowing me and our office and our technicians and our doctors here to help you. We have been so blessed for 22 years to help thousands and thousands of people to get their life back, to get rid of their pain, to be able to walk again, to be able to heal a sprain or a strain quicker, to be able to do things with their bodies they have no idea they could do. And it's just been such a blessing. The routes we take here are completely non-invasive. We don't use any drugs, we don't use any needles, we don't use any surgeries. Everything we do is about making your body function at its best level. And right now, wellness is more important than it's ever been in the history of the world. You want to keep your body self-healing. You want to keep that self-healing high. And you want to feel good on your own, so that you don't have to go into these surgeries and get medications and all these different things out there. So we're not saying those are never indicated, but me personally, my family, our patients, what we try to do is keep people away from those as much as possible. So how do we do that here at the Nerve Health Institute? Well, we've got many different techniques and methods and machines and gadgets. But for the most part, we follow a method of oxygen, water, and light. I call it the OWL method of healthcare. So when you think about plants, three primary ingredients are carbon dioxide, water, and light. But we as humans, our three primary ingredients are oxygen, water, and light. And so when you keep those things in balance, the human body self-heals better and you feel lesser than your age. So I hope this helps you. Again, I'm so blessed. Thank you so much for your support over the years and for trusting us to help you. The outside of the box type of thinking is not for everyone, but it is for people that are looking for the best remedies in the world and the best methods to be able to help the body to restore power. And that again revolves around our OWL method of healthcare. So if you're interested, please call us. We have virtual routes of helping you. We also have in-clinic routes of helping you. And we love doing what we're doing. So you can also share this post, please. Please share this with your friends. Share it with people that are around you that are in need, because there's so many people that want this type of care, but don't really know that it exists. So I would highly encourage you just out there, if you need us, we're here for you. And thank you so much to the thousands and thousands and thousands of patients we've been able to help over the years. I wish you well, you and your family, and we're always here for you.